Anti-aging secret drinks. 1. Green tea, packed with antioxidants, aids in cell regeneration. 2. Pomegranate juice, high in vitamin C and antioxidants, promotes skin health. 3. Blueberry smoothie, rich in antioxidants, fights aging signs. 4. Bone broth, high in collagen, improves skin texture. 5. Aloe vera juice, boosts collagen production, improves skin elasticity. 6. Cucumber juice, hydrates and detoxifies the body, promotes skin health. 7. Carrot and beetroot juice, rich in vitamins A and C, enhances skin glow. 8. Spinach and kale smoothie, packed with antioxidants, promotes youthful skin. 9. Almond milk, high in vitamin E, protects skin from sun damage. 10. Turmeric tea, anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties, promotes skin health. 11. Water, hydrates the body, maintains skin elasticity.